Organic fertilizers are providing nutrients into the soil, and they're slow release. So they're moving around the soil, and that's how it works. That's how they work in the soil. The soil kind of breaks them down. The microorganisms, the fungi, the worms, the little microscopic things you don't see that are eating the organic matter. So that's how organic fertilizer works. It feeds the soil. It lives in the soil.
The soil is living.
Yeah. Then the plants are like, hey, I need that. And they take what they need.
When they need it.
Yeah. And then inorganic is like, here, this is what you're going to get.
In big ag industry, it is that is inorganic agricultural. The soil is just a medium for the plant to grow in, and you're supplementing all the nutrients that plant needs. The corn, the soybeans, the wheat, because the soil is basically dead. You can go on a field and dig a long way in an agricultural field that's been there for many years, and you won't find worms at all because all the chemicals, and that's just the way the world works. That's the way the farmers have to farm in this particular time frame of the history, and that's the way it is.